Who is the father of GK in world? Just wait for answer. Bhikaji Rustom Kama is father of GK in world. The best GK question. Which is the first high court in India? Just wait for answer. Calcutta High Court, the first high court of country. Where is the World Health Organization? Just wait for answer. Geneva, Switzerland. Who is the first female judge in India? Just wait for answer. Justice Anna Chandi is first female judge in India. Who made first nuclear bomb in India? Just wait. Dr. Raja Ramana. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.